this is Miss Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is who is coming next in your life. Taurus. Yes, friends, this reading is for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. Also, friends, you can cross watch it for a Taurus if you know a Taurus. Also, friends, do subscribe our channel. Friends, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Many angel blessings, friends. Please do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Also, friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, we are going to look into detail today what is coming next in your love life, what is going to happen, and these are timeless. They are not bound to any month or any specific time. Whenever you watch this reading, it is going to help you out, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So Taurus, let us see let us see the main theme of your love life right now. What is going to theme of your love life? Then we will see who is coming for you, Taurus. Let us see the theme of love life for Taurus, theme of their love life for Taurus. Okay, let's see. Wow, the Five of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Fool. Oh my God, you definitely have. The theme is a new start with someone from your past, and this is your energy, Taurus. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Taurans, or you are dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and the theme is trust issues. Who has left you, who was supporting you, trust issues, ghosting, blocking, all those things, something from the past is still affecting your relationship, or it is still on your mind, Taurus. This ghosting, blocking, this energy of not someone may be upset with you, Taurus, or you are upset with someone. But there is a feeling of a new start. You want a new start with this person, or with a new person in love. You want a new start. You want a clean slate. I feel like, Taurus, you want to push away the things of the past, or maybe this past hurt and pain, and you want to start new and fresh, and you still are hoping for a new start. Let us see who is coming your way, Taurus. Cards are jumping out, so I won't take cards which before asking if they jump out, unless I feel guided to. Let us see who's coming for Taurus angels next in love. Who's coming for Taurus next in love? Who is coming for? Oh my God, it's definitely an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Oh God, yeah, definitely. I feel someone from your past wants to come back, or you want them to come back also, definitely. See, again, this is the Knight of Pentacles, the World, the Lovers, the World. Beautiful. And wow, again, there are a lot of people actually coming for you, Taurus. Wow, definitely something is going on. I feel definitely an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini wants to come back to you, Taurus, or they are on your mind. I feel this person is missing you and you are missing them. There has been arguments, judgment, disloyalty, or they felt you were disloyal, or there was cheating, there was blocking, there was fierce arguments. I am hearing this person feels like everything is lost. They may be seeing the situation as hopeless, or they want to come back but they don't know how to come back right now, or you are feeling hopeless regarding this situation. I feel, Taurus, you are also missing this person. Maybe they are in Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You are also missing this person. You feel this person and you share a very, very deep connection, a very strong friendship or attraction and love. Maybe you are twin flames, both of you, and there is this push and pull energy when you both come together. You both, you want to be together, but you can't be together. There is this energy of push and pull happening between you, but the attraction is very real and very solid between you and both this person wants to come back and talk to you, but they are slightly, I feel you both are feeling like, oh my god, this relationship has really challenged you and them. And it's kind of like this person wants to come back, but they feel like, what will happen, will you again fight? Yeah, see, this person is trying to control their emotions and feelings towards you, and they might also be acting very logical, or you are trying to control your emotions towards them and stay logical rather than give in to passion. I feel there is a chance of this connection getting better and healing happening in this connection, this relationship. For some of you, I feel this may have been a relationship which was very old, like 5 years back you knew this person, had a relationship, but the cheating happened. For others, it is a recently you broke up with this person and they want to come back again. They could be your family friend or someone also. I feel there is a chance of healing happening and challenges or arguments ending in this relationship. There is that chance where both of you will sit and talk and move this relationship forward, but it is going to happen very, very slowly. I feel, it is going to happen so slowly that you might end up like, oh my god, this is just oh. Yeah, see, you will feel like, is it even moving ahead? Is it even getting better? Where is things heading? I feel this person wants to definitely contact you, talk with you. They are going to come and talk with you, but I feel you might feel like, things things have gone too far, things have gone too bad, you have missed an opportunity, or something is missing, or maybe things will move very slowly, so you will feel like, nah, there is nothing left here, no attraction, nothing. I feel something will shift in this connection for you for good. Something will end, some negative cycle, some negative pattern. Maybe you need to come out. I think this relationship is challenging you to come out of your comfort zone, Taurus, or this person needs to come out of their comfort zone, and that is going to help you and this connection. This is definitely a very strong connection. Again, there is the Page of Swords, the Three of Cups. I feel you will both have to work hard to balance this relationship, and there is also a lot of other people, Taurus, affecting this relationship of yours. Maybe your friends and your I feel your friends or family or your lovers, friends and family are trying to affect this relationship. So there is a lot of outside influence affecting your relationship, but it is a very good connection. You don't have to worry in this connection. So I feel like, so Taurus, I definitely feel through some ups and downs, you are going to finally reach the 10 of Cups of happiness or some solution with this person or a new start. There is a chance you both will try to connect, but I feel there is a lot of karma or a lot of hurt and pain. Maybe you are talking online, and this is a long distance relationship, so there is a lot of trust issues happening back and forth. You may block this person, they block you. So let us see the advice for you. It's very complicated. It's complicated. Actually, that phrase, it's complicated, is applicable here. So for Taurus, advice for their love life, helpless and hopeless. Oh God. See, either you or this person is feeling pretty helpless. Maybe you both, the attraction, the love, and everything is there, but it is like you both want to meet but you can't. This long distance, this quarantine is actually pressurizing your relationship. Also, I feel you need to shift out of your comfort zone, Taurus. You both need to be flexible. You both need to flow like water in this relationship, and it's kind of difficult for you. Any other advice for Taurus? clarity of belief. This is like the Fool, you know. This is definitely, you know, you are going to get a breakthrough. You are going to get the answers you are seeking. I feel there has been a lot of hurt and pain happened in this relationship, but still there is a lot of love here, and you need to let that love grow, you know. Love grow. Have you heard that saying? Love grows. Love isn't love till we give it away. Love isn't love till we give it away. So you need to give love. This person needs to give love. That is what is needs to happen here. Nurture, absolutely. Communications, the Empress. You definitely see each other as husband or wife or long-term potential, and there is a chance of something birthing in this relationship, or it will trigger something of a new start in yourself, Taurus. So exciting times for your love life ahead. Definitely an older woman. There might be an age gap between you and this person. It could also be a same-sex relationship for some of you. Big, be aware of greed. So definitely you might want to hold this person or keep them just for yourself. Or you know, you are greedy and this person is greedy for arguments or not changing, resisting change. But that's not good for this relationship. Anything else for Taurus? Okay, here's the Rat, and someone working against you behind your back. So there is definitely, I feel, people you know, who may not want to this relationship to work out. Maybe there are friends, maybe they, or maybe your partner is not trustworthy. For some 10% of you, they are cheating you, lying to you. But for others, there are friends who are not saying good things, or family members, staff you will be taken care of in difficult times. So you don't need to worry about. You are very protected, Taurus. Pineapple, a reconciliation. Absolutely. Someone from your past is coming back, and it is going to be, it is going to take you both to step out of your comfort zone to make this relationship work. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, and let me know if this reading resonated with you in the comment section. And do you want me to continue these readings which are timeless, and for these love life or any other readings? Let me know, friends. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.